Most dads don't gain weight because they're lazy. They gain weight because their entire life changes, but their fitness approach doesn't. And I know because after becoming a father, working full-time in manufacturing, and trying to juggle work and family life, I gained over 10 kilograms. For years, I kept trying to force myself into routines that no longer fit my life. I tell myself I'll train after work, but after a long day, I was mentally drained, physically tired, and had no energy left. And I think a lot of dads experience the same thing. In your 20s, staying in shape almost happens by accident. You move more, you recover faster, you have fewer responsibilities, you can get away with inconsistency. But once kids, work, stress, poor sleep, and responsibilities enter the picture, everything changes. And one of the biggest things nobody talks about is stress. Most dads don't eat because they're hungry. They eat because they're exhausted. Food becomes the reward, the stress relief, or the only quiet moment in the day. For a long time, I genuinely thought I lacked discipline. I thought something was wrong with me. But eventually I realized the problem wasn't motivation, and it wasn't knowledge either. Most dads already know what to do. We know exercise matters. We know nutrition matters. The real problem is that our old systems no longer fit our current life. That was a turning point for me. Instead of trying to follow complicated fitness plans built for people with unlimited time, I started to simplify everything. Shorter workouts, simple meals, basic routine I could actually repeat consistently. I stopped chasing perfection. I focused on building systems that fit real life. And over time, I lost 11 kilograms while working full-time and raising 2 kids. Not through extreme dieting, not through 2-hour workouts, and not by sacrificing any family time. Just through consistency and structure. So if you're a busy dad struggling to stay in shape, you are not broken. You probably just need a system that actually fits the life you have now. If that sounds like something you need, subscribe to the channel. And I've also put together a free Busy Dad Starter Plan in the description below. You don't need your old life back to get healthy again. You just need a better system for the life you have today.